What if your school allowed only the principal to decide exam dates, uniforms, and punishments without asking students or teachers? Now imagine someone said, "Let's just vote on it together." That's the spirit of democracy and exactly what happened in Madam Lingado's classroom, where students debated, is democracy really the best form of government? Let's explore that very question in this video, step by step, using examples, arguments, and real facts. Some students raised common criticisms. Democracy causes instability, leaders keep changing. Too much discussion, everything is delayed. Elections lead to corruption. People don't know what's best, why should they decide? These are valid concerns. After all, democracy doesn't magically fix poverty or eliminate chaos. Yes, decisions take time. Yes, people can elect the wrong leaders. But here's the twist: is any system perfect? Let's now compare democracy with other forms of government to find out why it still stands out. Let's look at a tragic event. Between 1958 and 1961, a famine in China killed nearly 3 crore people. But in India, which was just as poor back then, no such famine occurred. Why? Because in India, there were free media. Opposition parties raised questions. Elected leaders were afraid of losing power. So the government had to act. This shows our first big reason why democracy is better. Democracy is more accountable to the needs of the people. Yes, democracy involves long meetings, discussions, and sometimes arguments. But that's not a weakness, it's a strength. Multiple people bring in diverse perspectives. Discussions help spot mistakes. Sudden and dangerous decisions are avoided. This is our second reason. Democracy leads to better decisions through discussion and consultation. It may be slow, but it's thoughtful. India is full of diversity, languages, religions, castes, and cultures. In a society this diverse, conflict is natural. Without democracy, the stronger group would force the weaker one to obey. That leads to violence and resentment. But democracy says everyone gets a voice, differences are discussed, power keeps shifting. So here's our third key reason. Democracy offers peaceful ways to resolve conflicts in a diverse society. Even beyond the government's actions, democracy changes how people see themselves. A poor, illiterate woman can vote equally with a billionaire. Citizens can question leaders. People participate in governance, not just to obey it. This is the fourth major reason democracy is better. Democracy enhances the dignity of citizens. You are not ruled. You are the ruler. Let's be honest. Mistakes happen in every form of government. But only in a democracy, mistakes are debated publicly. Citizens can protest. Leaders can be voted out. Courts can overrule unfair laws. That's why our final argument is this: democracy allows correction through feedback, elections, and institutions. No government is perfect, but a democracy can learn and improve. So let's wrap it up. Democracy may not be flawless, but it's the best system we have because it is accountable to people. It ensures better decisions. It resolves conflicts peacefully. It respects dignity and equality. It allows correction of mistakes. And that's why democracy is not just a way to rule, it's a way to live.